Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I will show you guys talkback full setting. Friends, you want to use talkback on your device. So how to on and use talkback on phone. Today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting to use talkback. After on phone setting friends, scroll it. Friends, additional setting we will on it. After on friend additional setting, friends click on accessibility. After on accessibility friends click on talkback. Friends, you want to on talkback, you can on talkback, okay option. Friends, talkback will on, and friends you can use talkback. Friends, you want to use talkback, friends click on one tap on back button and double tap here friends. Friends, you want to close app guys, click on close app button, double tap. Two finger friends you can close, one finger you cannot close guys. So first guys I will decrease volume. So pens you want to use, so how to use guys, two finger pens you can use talkback guys, one finger guys you cannot use. Pens you can see screen will not scroll. And friends, you want to on any app, so you can on with your double tap. Example guys, you want to on phone setting, click on setting sound, double tap here to on setting. So it's back button, one tap, double tap here. So the person who is blind guys, they use talkback because guys they cannot see. So they use talkback with two finger, and guys they listen sound, icon sound. When they listen sound YouTube, friends you can see first guys we will increase volume. So friends you can see they click on YouTube and they double tap to on YouTube. So like that friends they use YouTube. So guys like that friends they on app with double tap and guys they use. So friends you can see one tap, double tap here, one finger guys you cannot close app, two finger you can close guys, one finger not close, close. So like that friends you can on and use talkback. And friends now you want to off, click on phone setting and friends double tap here, scroll it friends. Friends click on additional setting, double tap on additional setting. Friends click on accessibility setting and double tap here. Friends talkback setting, double tap on talkback. Friends double tap here again, stop button friends click here, and friends double tap. Friends talkback will off, and friends now you can use guys your phone without any talkback setting. One finger friends you can use your phone, you can on any app guys without double tap. So like that friends we can on and use guys talkback setting. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys, bye bye friends. Do you have any doubt friends, you can ask me in comment section friends, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys.